Hi, my name is Aggie. I run Kind Pilates and Yoga Studio and I teach Pilates. In terms of my business, sustainability means every little choice. So, the biggest thing for me was choosing to equip my studio in the most sustainable way. So, all the props that I use are sourced from suppliers who also care about sustainability. The biggest value that I got out of this course with the University of Leicester is the framework that I can apply to start properly documenting and therefore promoting the sustainability initiatives within my community. So prior to this, I only had a loose list of ideas. However, this time, having finished this course, I now have a proper plan with actions, with timings for the actions to take place. So I'm ever so grateful to GreenerFuture Leicestershire for providing that framework for me as part of this course. My biggest takeaway from this program is twofold. Firstly, it's the structure to report what I do, to actually write down all the initiatives and all the choices that I make every day in running the business to make it more sustainable. But secondly, the other big takeaway for me was the fact that it actually needn't be as overwhelming as it sounds. Every small action, every little choice that we make every day actually all counts.